In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Flights Explore to find your next adventure. Whether you're planning a trip and looking for the best deals or just dreaming about your next vacation spot, Google Flights Explore is a fantastic tool that can help you discover affordable travel options based on your preferences and budget. First things first, let's navigate to Google Flights. You can do this by typing https://www.google.com/travel/flights into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the Google Flights homepage, where you can search for flights, explore destinations, and much more. To personalize your experience and get tailored flight suggestions, it's a good idea to sign in. On the top right-hand corner of the page, you'll see a Sign In button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you want to use. If you're already logged into your Google account on your browser, this step might be skipped automatically. After choosing your account, you'll need to enter your Google password. Security is key, so Google ensures that your information is protected throughout this process. Once you've entered your password, click Next to proceed. Now that you're signed in, you're ready to start exploring. Let's choose your location. On the Google Flights homepage, you'll see an option to input your starting point. You can type in your city, airport code, or even select from a drop-down list that appears as you begin typing. This helps Google Flights tailor the search results to flights departing from your area. Next, it's time to decide where you want to go. This is where the fun begins. Google Flights. Explore allows you to be as broad or as specific as you like. If you have a destination in mind, you can type it directly into the search box. If you're looking for inspiration or the best deals, you might want to leave the destination blank and let Google suggest exciting possibilities. Choosing your departure dates is crucial for finding the best fares. Google Flights offers a flexible date search feature that lets you compare prices across different times. This is especially useful if your travel dates are flexible. You can select a range of dates or specific dates you're considering and see how the prices vary. It's a fantastic way to snag the best deals if you're open to adjusting your travel schedule slightly. Finally, once you've entered all your criteria, it's time to hit the Explore button to see what flights are available. Google Flights will display a range of options based on the information you've provided. You can browse through the results, which will include various airlines, times, and prices. The interface is user-friendly and designed to make it easy for you to adjust your search criteria and filter the results according to your needs. Whether you're looking for the cheapest flights, shortest travel time, or specific airlines, you can easily modify your search to suit your preferences. One of the best features of Google Flights Explore is the ability to see prices for different destinations on a map. This is incredibly helpful if you're still deciding where to go and want to compare costs to various locations at a glance. Plus, Google Flights often highlights great deals and offers alerts when prices for your selected routes drop, so keep an eye out for these opportunities to save. As you can see, Google Flights Explore is a powerful tool for anyone looking to book travel. It's straightforward, efficient, and can help you uncover some fantastic travel deals that you might not find elsewhere. Whether you're planning a quick getaway or a dream vacation, starting your search with Google Flights Explore is a smart move. Remember, the key to finding the best deals is being flexible with your travel dates and destinations whenever possible. Experiment with different combinations and don't be afraid to explore new places. You never know what incredible adventures await you, so there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Google Flights Explore. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're now feeling more confident about planning your next trip. Happy travels, and here's to finding the perfect flight for your next adventure.